Hi everyone, Chad Shaves here for the Razor Company, and today we're going to have a shave and a chat, or chat and shave, one of them. I'll see you in a few moments. Hi everyone, welcome back. Right, what we're using, first I'm going to show you the soap, and it's going to be from Hags. And it's called Sanctified, and it's a collaboration with the Razor Company. There it is. I hope the lighting and everything's okay in here, and the camera. It's a camera phone, so that's what I film off. I ain't no pro, bro. Is that a t-shirt? I ain't no pro. Anyway, that's what I'll be using as the soap today. The scent notes for this are argarwood, which is the oud, Brazilian rosewood, cardamom, sandalwood. I can't pronounce this. Is it chichin? Pepper, maybe I got it wrong, I don't know. Vanilla, vetiver, tonka bean and amber. And this is inspired by Tom Ford's oud wood. Now, here, I'll show you what it looks like. Look at that. I have scooped some out and put it into a shaving bowl, which I'll show you in a minute. This is like Tom Ford's oud wood, but it's got something different going on. To me, it smells like Creed Royal Oud, because that's got something going on. It's that in-between bit, you know, through Tom Ford's oud wood and Royal Oud by Creed. That's what it smells like. There's something going on, but it's really nice scent. I definitely recommend it. Put that to the side. I also will be using the Matching Splash, which is a witch hazel. Really nice. Give it a quick shake. So that's what I'll be using, and I've all put it into my Captain's Choice bowl, the old shaving cream. It's quite I don't know, quite a soft soap, not too soft. It's in between, like a fudge, let's say. And I've put quite a bit in there, and this is the Captain's Choice Obsidian bowl. That's what I'll be using. Razor of choice is going to be the Merkur 500. I think it's called the Progress 500 or Progress 500. Here it is with the brass knob on it. I hope you can see that okay with the camera. That's got a dot there. I don't know if you can actually see that. And there's the dials go around the bottom, and you just turn up for aggression, and you know what I'm saying. It's an adjustable. And inside that's going to be a Tatra blade. Here it is. Tatra Platinum. I think a lot of people are going to these because they are fantastic blades, but that I'll load that up in a minute while I chat to you. I'm also going to have a balm. Now, I didn't get the balm with the Hags soap because I forgot to add it to the basket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I'm going to use, and it's called, I think it's called Lucido or Lucido, and it's from Japan, and it's a skin conditioner, so I'll be using that. In the shave, right, brush of choice, I'm going on to the brush now, is soaking in my half-pint glass from the 1960s. It's a beer glass. I think it's called a dimple glass. Here it is. It's great for soaking brushes in. And inside that is a Semogue Owner's Club brush with like a butterscotch handle, and it's a Boar knot. That's why I've got it soaking. Just the one for the Boar knots. If you've got one and you find it's really hard, just give it a soak for like 10 minutes. What I tend to do, you can see it's starting to split with the hairs and stuff. I tend to get like a hard soap and just work it into like a soap like this, say. And I just keep doing that about 4 or 5 times, you know. Well, like I'll do it once, rinse it out, then I'll do it again. I'll do it about 5 times doing that method. And I find that the hairs of the Boar brush start to split and it feels softer in the face. That's just a little quick tip. Right, let's get lathering. I've showed you everything. Yeah, I have. So what I'm going to do now first, actually, I'm going to load up the razor. I'm going back to front here. So here's the razor. All you got to do is literally turn the dial at the bottom, and the top starts to rise. Now, when you do load this, I'll show you when I take the top off. You've got to make sure it's in line. Take that off there. There's a little nook, which I'll show you. I'm going to open up this. Be very careful. You don't want to be touching the edge of this blade. Take that off there. Fold it back. Should have done this before the video, but I thought I'd show you. So you don't want to touch any of the blade, and the reason being is you'll dull the blade, you know, like so. That's all you got to do. It's upside down, probably. There you go. And then I'm literally going to put it like so. It's showing the suck eggs here, like the posts, over the posts, not like the posts. So what you do, right, there's the notch. I'm going to show you what I mean when I put it back on the top. Knock that down. Now, if you can see the top cap, it's got a little notch in it. You see at the top, and it's got the arrow underneath. That's the proper way to do it. If you flick it round, there's nothing on it. So that's the way to load these razors. I hope you can see okay. So I'm going to lock that down now, he says. Yeah, that's locked down. Inside setting number 1, so I'm going to go to number 3. Number 3, you can see the dot, I hope you can see it okay. Yeah, really nice weight to this razor. I've used this about twice, I think. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a good looking razor, isn't it? So that's what I'll be using, talking too much. Yeah, so I'm just going to flick some water out the brush, not too much, just have a little bit still in there. This is a lot of soap in here, and just straight into it. So I hope you're all having a fantastic day, wherever you're doing. If you haven't already, if you can go over to my YouTube, and also I'm on Instagram, Chad Shaves. Basically, I do this kind of videos with like-minded people like yourselves. So get in the chat and yeah, get chatting. So here we go. A few air bubbles in it at the moment, but it doesn't take much with Hags. Really, really nice soaps. Oh, it's really, it's a room filler for me. Woo! I'm just kicking myself. I didn't put the balm in, which I am going to put another order in anyway. So yeah, you can get, obviously get it from the razor company because it's a collaboration. Look at this, didn't take much, did it? Absolute amazing. Right, I'm going to wet the mush. That's the face. And we'll get lathering. Yeah, like I said, with these boar brushes, just soak them, let them soak. But before you do that, just give it like, you don't have to have a shaving soap, just get yourself like I don't know, antibacterial soap or something like that. A block of soap and just do that. That's what I do. Just keep going through that motion about 5 times. But each time, obviously, let it dry out. That's what I do. And over time, the sort of splits and it becomes a lot more softer. Woo! Look at this. Got on the end of my nose. Right, put that on there. Well, about 2 days growth, believe it or not. My growth doesn't really grow too heavy, you know, so I'd say I'm quite lucky. I'd like to grow a big beard, I would. Grow a big beard and shave the top lip. And then shave the head maybe, I don't know. Excellent, excellent. Right, we're going to go over the first pass now. We're going to go with the grain, just dry me off my hands. Clear my mouth. Don't need chewing some soap. And here we go. We're going to have it on setting number 3. I don't know why I'm shouting it here. Setting number 3. We have a Tatra blade in. This is a Tatra, isn't it? I always say Tatra for some reason. Tatra. Right, here we go. Clean these. Don't want to be chopping stuff I don't really, you know what I'm saying. I forgot how good this razor is actually. I haven't used it for such a long time. Wow. Setting number 3 for me with this blade is fantastic. If I ever use new razors, I always use a Tatra blade because I know they're smooth, sharp but smooth. That's what I like to put it down to. And it's just literally taking that stubble straight off. Now this razor you can get from the razor company. There is different finishes. You can get one with like an ivory looking handle, like knob. Knob. This is the brass knob, and also I think there's another one like a chrome. You can get it from the razor company. Amazing. Sleekness is unreal. Really nice. Nothing like having a shave, is that? You know, just get away for like, I don't know, 20 minutes, your own time with you and your razor and your soaps, and just forgetting about the world and just going into this world. It's great. Amazing. I don't want this past to end. But all good things have to come to an end. There you go. A little water on the old mush, the face. Get some soap in your ear. Tradition. And here we go. It looks like the soap is actually being sucked up by the Boar brush, but I've got plenty in my Captain's Choice bowl. So just go back if you need to. Still really hydrated. Bit of water on the face and just go back for it. Go back for it. Go for this. Whoa, nearly. That was the biggest bit of soap I've ever seen. Oh, got it down my t-shirt then. Oh, this brush is amazing. Now it's broken in. It was a bit tough at the beginning, you know. Right, because I've took most of the growth down on that first pass, believe it or not. You don't need much lather with this soap because it's really, really slick. So you'll get that residual slickness, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Here we go, across the grain. Do I need to dial it down? No, I'll see how we get on. We can always just turn it down. I can hear my neighbours singing. You think I'm mad? Should hear my neighbours. Oh, this razor is amazing. I forget how good it is. Really good razor. Fantastic. Made in Germany. If you didn't know. That is nice. I'm happy with that. But for me, I'm a nightmare. I keep going over the same areas sometimes and then I get razor burn. So that's the top tip. Don't keep going over it. It has gone. I need to tell myself that. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera. I can hear my neighbours. Sounds like they're arguing. Fight, fight, fight. I'm only messing. The good neighbours. That. Wow. Really good. Second pass, right? Guess what? We're going on to the third pass and final pass. And you'll see when I go against the grain, I might go side as well sometimes, just because I'll do a bit of a pick-up pass at the same time. Put some of that in there, and here we go again. Amazing. This soap, I love the smell of it. I'm into my like kind of I say wintry scents. I don't like saying that with like seasonal. You can wear what you want to wear, you know. You shouldn't have to. If you want to have oud on you in summer, that's up to you. I will. I don't care. It's what you like to smell. Smell of, you know, what you like. Do what makes you happy. That's what I'm trying to say. What am I talking about? I thought when I do this video, I'm going to start rambling. And I always do. Clear them again. We're going for the third pass, like I said. Against the grain. And a pick up as well. Literally nothing there at the moment. Always the chin area. Always the chin area. Really nice. Woo! Really nice that. How many times have I said really nice? Count them. Let me know in the comments. Only joking. That was amazing. There's no overhang to be aware of on this razor as well. So if you like that kind of feels closed in, if there's any, it's very, very Hardly any. I'm going to go with that. That's fantastic. Right, rinse the face. 2 seconds. By rinsing, I mean just rubbing it in. Amazing. Just grab my towel, 2 seconds. I forgot to pick it up. Here it is. No, it isn't. Here it is. No, it isn't. Here it is. And here it is. Just had it like cleaned, you see. So I put it over there and I forgot to put it here. And it's the Razor Company towel, obviously. Hope you can see that okay. Happy days. Amazing. Just going over my shirt. What am I like? Yeah, this shirt is from the Razor Company as well. Hope you can see it okay. I've brought loads of these different colours. They're really soft, like soft cotton. Really nice to wear. I have them to lounge around the house, to be honest. But and I have them for my shave videos. But anyway, stop talking about that. Right, what we're going to do? I'm going to put some aftershave on now. Or, well, it is aftershave with the witch hazel base. Here we go. Give it a quick shake again. Really nice stuff, this. Really, really nice stuff. Just threw the top over there. There you go. Plenty. Because it's witch hazel, I'm going to put it on my forehead. Because it's good for the skin, isn't it? That smell. I'm loving it. Really, really nice. Absolute banger this is. I'll put the top one in a minute if I can find it. Really, really nice. Right, we're going to put some balm on now. Lucido. Lucido? I don't know. It's Japan, I believe. Japan? I think it is Japan. You can get this from the Razor Company as I speak. I think it's still, it's not out of stock. I think you still can get it. A bit more of that. Not that much. I'm gonna shine like a beacon now. But it's good stuff. It's got like a skin conditioner in it. And I mean, I'll shine for a little bit, but then it'll disappear in a minute, you'll see. Amazing stuff. Rub it in your arms, neck, face, everything. I look like I'm wax now. Really nice stuff. And that the scent from the soap and from the splash is still there. It's like radiant. It's really nice. Really, really nice that is. Right, what did we use? Right, I'm going to go through it now. We used the Sanctified from Hags and a collaboration with the Razor Company. Highly recommend it. You can get it from the Razor Company. With a matching splash without the top. I've got to put it back on. Razor of choice was the Merkur Progress 500. I think that's how you say it, or Progress, one of them. Here it is with the Tatra blade in. Also available from the Razor Company. And we used the Semogue Owners Club Boar brush. I'm not too sure if you can get this from the Razor Company. There you go. And that's it, I think. Oh, no, sorry. And the balm was Lucido, whatever. And this was available from the Razor Company. Right, I think we've come to the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next one. So see you later and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.